Hello students, I am working number 1, the table and chairs problem, and we are looking at part C. So we're going to graph the feasible region, which comes from our inequalities. So I'm going to take my purple, and that'll represent this inequality, 8x plus 2y less than or equal to 400. And remember, we come over here and we let x equal 0. You put that in here, wipes that out, divide by 2, and you get 200. If I put in 0 for y, divide by 8, I get 50. Now, when you're doing this by hand, you're going to do one at a time. So I'm going to graph 0, 200 right there. And I know that's 200. 50, 0 right here. And that's a nice scale. I created the scale. You can copy that scale. And I'm going to graph this line. And I would do a straight edge, but I can't because I am filming. Not so simple while filming. Not bad. All right, got it. Now we have to decide which side to shade on. So when you do these by hand, do them one at a time. I know I've already pretend like that's not there. We're just focusing on the purple line. In Math Excel, you have to actually graph both lines and then do the shading in the end. Now, all right, so less than or equal to, if I put 0, 0, there's my test point in here. 0, 0, is that less than or equal to 400? Yes, so this is the side that gets shaded. Notice I go to the line and pull. That is the first inequality right there. Let's try the second inequality. If I let x equal 0, I get 120, and then I get 60, 0, so 0, 120. That's about right there, and I'm going to put 120 because I might need that later, and it's not clear where it is, so I'm just going to write it there or I'll forget. Now 60, 0 is over here, and I have to turn this around in order to graph. I'm going to try to connect the two dots. There. So I have that line. Now I have to decide which side to shade on. So I'm going to put my 0, 0 in here. 0, 0. That's going to be less than or equal to 120. So I need to shade on this side. I'm just going to go up here and pull down. I hear my clock going off in the background. All right, so that is totally shaded. Finished. And we're looking for where this overlaps. Now notice that that's just red and that's just purple, but in here you've got the red and the purple overlapping. So I've been doing these in the past where I just want to make it clear which side is shaded. And notice that that is a four-sided figure. So we've got this right here, we've got this right here, that side. It comes to where they cross, then it comes down here, and then I've got the x-axis part of this. This is a four-sided. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides that we get when we graph this, and this is the feasible region. All right, I'll be back for the next part.